I can't be 100% sure that there is a causal relationship between biryani and infertility. So we talked about women who have lots of sweets, biryani and ice creams, who become infertile. But it's the same with the men. So why is that? Okay, let's get to basic anatomy. The scrotum in men lies outside the body, whereas in women, the ovaries are inside the body. There is a reason for that. The scrotum, which lodges two testicles, are supposed to be 2 degrees centigrade cooler than the body temperature. That's why men have been programmed to have their testicles outside the body. Whereas in obese men, what happens is there's a big paunch, they've got big thighs, and so the scrotum thinks it's as if it's inside the body. So it's warm, so it doesn't do its job. So the men can have low libido, erectile dysfunction, they can't sustain their erections. So can you see the relationship I'm trying to build? More biryani, more ice cream, more sweets leads to sexual dysfunction and also infertility. But then there's lots of other issues as well, which I will discuss in my other videos, where you can have more heart attacks, cancers, and obviously you know that you're seeing more heart attacks and sudden deaths in younger individuals. This combined with the fact that there's a lot of psychological issues. Why would someone eat biryani at 2 a.m.? Obviously, a small portion may be contributed by emotional eating, stress eating. So there may be problems. Your sleep is poor. So because you can't sleep well, you find out that you're hungry. So it's called hedonic hunger. That means you're eating for pleasure, to give you a buzz. So it is a complex topic, and I'm not saying that you should not have biryani. I'm not saying that you should not have ice cream. I'm not saying that you should not have any sweets. But please be mindful of the portions and the time. Suppose you have a plate of biryani at, say, 9 p.m. for your dinner. It's okay. I would prefer it around 7 p.m. But a plate of biryani can be anywhere between 250 to 850 calories. So you should be aware of that. I know it's nutritious, I know it's tasty, but you need to limit the portion size. Similarly, ice creams, have 1 scoop, eat slowly, or have 1 small portion of sweets. That's okay, enjoy that, but beware of the portion size.